Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies chewy and soft. First, let's talk about sugar. For that perfect chewy and soft texture, you'll want to use more brown sugar than white sugar. Brown sugar contains molasses, which adds moisture and a delicious caramel flavor, making your cookies wonderfully tender. White sugar helps create those desirable crisp edges, so a balanced ratio, perhaps 2 parts brown to 1 part white, is ideal for achieving both. Next, the state of your butter makes a big difference. Using melted butter results in a denser, chewier cookie with lovely crisp edges. If you prefer a lighter, fluffier cookie, softened butter is your friend, as it incorporates more air. For an extra boost of chewiness and softness, try adding 1 additional egg yolk to your recipe. This simple trick adds richness and helps achieve that perfect bakery-style texture. Don't skip chilling your cookie dough. It's a game changer. Refrigerating the dough for at least 30 minutes or even overnight helps prevent spreading, making your cookies thicker and chewier. It also allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When it comes to leavening, baking soda is key for chewiness and browning, especially when paired with brown sugar. Baking powder, on the other hand, gives a puffier, softer, more cake-like result, so choose wisely based on your desired texture. Finally, baking and cooling are critical steps. The secret to soft and chewy cookies is to avoid overbaking them. Remove your cookies from the oven when their edges are golden brown, but their centers still look slightly soft and underbaked. They will continue to cook on the hot baking sheet. Let them cool on the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This ensures they set properly and maintain their delightful chewiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.